Neighbourhood, so when we moved in, he duly came and invited himself across, and we got to know each other. And I actually now think that we've gone from neighbours to being colleagues and then to being friends. And I think that's true to say. But the first time that I met Maria, Mr. Munir brought her into my house. He knew that I was a teacher, and he knew that I actually administered the test for people to get into Watford boys and Watford girls and the schools. So he came to me and said, "Will you tell me whether my daughter is good enough to get into the girls' grammar?" Because nothing else would do. It was the girls' grammar or nothing. Believe me, I spend a lot of my time as a counsellor and a mayor saying to parents, be realistic. You know, your children, they're not all going to be brain surgeons. Be realistic about what they are. So I thought, wonder what I've got here. And one characteristic that came through in that 10-year-old, because she was only 10 then, because determination. She was looking at me as if she was sussing me out, and that was quite unnerving. So I spent a little time with her, going through some practice tests. And I had to convince Mr. Munir that his daughter would walk into the grammar school, that he didn't need to pay loads of money for tuition. Some parents are tutoring their children for